Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, this is Sir Manoj. Welcome to computer class. This video is for standard 7. So today we'll start the first chapter, that is computer hardware components. Okay, so let's enjoy today's class. Chapter 1, computer hardware components. So in this chapter we'll discuss a computer system, primary functions of a computer system, hardware and types of software. So today it is very difficult to find something that cannot be done with the help of a computer. Computer control most of our activities like health, education and finance department. So a computer is an electronic data processing machine which accepts data and instruction through an input unit. It has the ability to process data into meaningful information in the desired form. So this is all about computer system. We have to input data through an input device like keyboard, mouse, scanner. Later on it will process and it will display the desired output on the screen. So day to day computer is very important. We are using in school, in bank, in post office, even in booking tickets online. So it is very important that the computer plays a vital role day-to-day activities. Hence we can say that it is necessary for our day-to-day life. It is all about computer system. So we'll discuss clearly about computer system. Well, the coordination of computer devices that share a central storage system and various peripheral devices is called a computer system. Now what do you mean by peripheral devices? The devices which are attached to the computer. So what are they? Like printer, scanner, keyboard, mouse, modem, speaker. Okay, these all are the peripheral devices. So it mainly consists of hardware and software component that works together. So a computer system coordinates the devices with the software. Any hardware if you install, then the particular software you have to download and you have to install, then only the particular hardware will work. Okay, so it coordinates both hardware and software. Now see the primary functions of a computer system. It holds all the components of a computer together and protects the sensitive electronic parts from outside elements. It uses common storage for all or a part of a program. It executes user written programs. It performs arithmetical as well as logical operations. So these all are the primary functions of a computer system. Okay, now you can see all the peripherals are here: desktop, headphone, printer, CPU, speaker, then keyboard, mouse. So these all are the hardware, also known as peripherals, and these are connected to the computer. Okay, so let's discuss hardware and software clearly. The term hardware and software are two words that are frequently used in the field of computers. Hardware is the term given to the various components and equipment of computer system. It refers to the physical device of a computer system. So all input and output devices, storage device, controlling and processing units are known as the hardware. So keyboard, mouse, headphone, CPU, then your processing device, then your storing device are like pen drive, CD. Okay, these all are hardware. These are the physical part of a computer, so we can touch the computer. Let's see some of the hardware and software. The left hand side hardware, right hand side software is there. You can see a CPU, monitor, mouse. these all are the hardware. Then Microsoft Excel, Office, PowerPoint, Access, these all are softwares. So hardware over, now see software. The term software refers to the set of computer programs, procedures and associated documents that describe how the program are to be used. Thus software means a collection of program. Example: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Photoshop, Scratch, Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, games like Free Fire, PUBG, these all are the software. Here you can see so many softwares: Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Google Chalk, VLC Media Player. Okay. Now let's discuss the relationship between hardware and software. Hardware refers to all the visible devices which are assembled together to build a computer system, whereas software refers to the computer programs that are loaded into a computer system. The blending of software and hardware gives life to a computer system. Though hardware is the physical part of a computer, it is nothing unless it has a software to control. For example, hardware like a car without a driver. The software is a set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do and how to perform the requested actions. Hence, both are essential to get the work done and they share a special relationship. You can say if hardware is the heart of a computer system, then software is the soul. So, thus hardware and software are complementary to each other. So, hardware software over, relationship over. Now we will discuss the difference between hardware and software. Clear points are here. It is physical in nature, whereas software is logical in nature. Hardware components can be seen and touched, whereas software can be viewed at the time of loading. It is required to store and run a software, whereas in software it refers the programs that enable a computer to perform specific tasks. Number 4, more chances of failure in hardware devices. Software doesn't have a failure rate and hence is more reliable. 5th point, it starts functioning once a software is loaded. It is installed on the hardware to deliver its set of instructions. Okay, so these are the difference between hardware and software. Clear? Now we'll discuss types of software. So there are 2 types of software. Number 1, system software. Number 2, application software. So system software, it is a set of 1 or more programs designed to control the operations of a computer system. These programs do not solve specific problems but provide a platform to assist in the use of a computer system by performing specific tasks. For example, operating system like Windows, DOS, Unix, these all are system software. So you can see the system softwares: Windows Vista, Windows 7, Apple, Android, Linux, these all are operating system. And now application software. It is a set of 1 or more programs designed to carry out specific tasks such as creating documents, presentation, etc. It allows the computer to perform useful tasks beyond the running of the system itself. Thus, an application software performs only those tasks for which it is designed. For example, media player, graphic softwares, office packages, these all are application software. Okay, so today we have covered computer system, then primary functions of a computer system, then hardware and software relationship, and different types of software. Also we discuss difference between hardware and software. Clear? So your duty is to read this thing what I have taught today. After that I will give you certain question and you will do and you will send to me. Clear? Here is the homework. 5 questions are there and down my email ID and WhatsApp number is given. So solve this and send to me. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.